Yeah, hello to you watching me out there. My name is Fandov Azike Azike. Today, I will be talking on the subject title How to Join Politics. How to Join Politics. However, if today is your very first time of seeing my teachings or my videos, please kindly subscribe. When you subscribe, you will gain more of practical political education, personal and leadership skills that are not taught in school or classrooms. Do not forget to click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new content or teachings, you can always get alerted. Also click the like bell. At the same time, your comments will be highly appreciated. The subject matter, how to join politics. Yeah, joining politics appears very simple, but when reviewed properly, one will understand that joining political party or joining politics need to be studied carefully to avoid a disheartening result. When we talk of how to join politics, the subject discourse is to expose you and educate you on step-by-step approach. You who intend to seek public office or occupy the corridor of power must adopt. The subject discourse as well is to expose you on the factors you must consider before you can as well identify with a political party. Above all, it is to review the entire process that you need to know before going into politics. So this very subject is very, very important for individuals who intend to become what? A politician. Without wasting much of your time, do not forget, democracy cannot succeed unless those who express their choice are ready to choose wisely. How to join politics? It is important that you have a pre-knowledge of every association or everything you want to involve yourself. Therefore, joining politics is not exceptional to know what politics is all about. You that intend to join politics must know what politics is all about. Politics, in a very simple term, implies the exercise of power. The exercise of power. The authoritative allocation of resources and values of the state. The process of seeking for relevance or agreement with the electorate to control the machinery of the state. How you get such power, where and how, is also the process of politics. But you must come in agreement with the people. And when you become or succeed, you begin to exercise this power. And the process that will make you to exercise this power is known as authority. So when you now exercise this power, you exercise it with authority, and the people recognize such authority, and their submission will not be under compulsion or application of force. So politics is what? The exercise of power. Now, you cannot exercise this power without going under a platform or a political party. You must identify with a political party. That is a vehicle that will convey you to where you can now exercise this power. Without the political party, you cannot assume such power. Now, what is a political party? It's an association of men and women with what? An ideology to control the government, to control the government machinery, to become in the hands of affairs of that particular country. So you need a political party to actualize this exercise of power. When you now have these dreams and turn into a political party to actualize this process, you are now a politician. A politician is that party man or woman. Politician is that individual who defend the party policies and project the party interests and market the party and is ready to die for the party. Is a politician. Is that individual that occupies the public office or who intend to occupy or working around the clock with politicians to ensure that the party remains relevant, at the same time creating a platform for him to actualize of becoming part of the government. So now, for you to recognize a political platform to identify, you also know, or it is important, you study the political ideology of a party. It will help you to study the political ideology of that party. What is their belief system? How do they intend to run the state? What blueprint or what ideology do they have to run the state to ensure sanity and continuity? So political ideology is a belief, a set of belief, a set of principles, ideas, and ideals the party believe in. And how they intend to manage the state at the same time and keep the state running. Political ideology is a mindset or an intellectual idea that will help you to study the political system, to understand the political system, at the same time offer an idea that will keep the state running or in a better place. So political ideology is also a principle, a belief system. So you as a politician to be must study the political ideology carefully to enable you actualize or build your career on a solid platform. Now, after you have studied the political ideology and decide to identify with a particular party, the next thing for you is to look at the party structure from the base or the cell to the top echelon, and know where the right channel to identify with yourself. But you cannot plate something out of nothing and expect it to stand. That is to say, you have to go to the base, to the cell or the chapter or word that you came from, your home state of origin or your place of origin, and express your interest for membership under the leadership of that party. In the course of your expression and admission into the party, you have to make or register officially with the leadership that will now forward or transmit all your data to the appropriate channels for proper documentation. If need be, for other declaration, the party have a channel to do such. After your membership, you have some obligations, you have some responsibility, you have some assignment to make yourself outstanding. The party have a means of funding to keep the party going. Therefore, you are by understanding or constitutionally to make what your monthly or yearly subscription according to the working document they have. These subscriptions is part of the obligation that authenticate you as a financial member and a party man. At some point, free will donations, sponsorship comes in, projects comes in. You are, by virtue of membership, are required to make some contributions to keep the party running. In the course of doing this, you are integrating with the party leadership. You will begin to make your contribution in kinds and in cash. You continue to contribute according to your capacity, intellectually and otherwise. You begin to support parties' candidates to win elections, at the same time creating an opportunity to market your person. You begin to market yourself. When you have demonstrated your abilities, you can now express interest for a particular position, and the party can always support you going by your track records. When you are involved in the daily and the party activities and participation at all levels, you are already known as a politician. If you follow the affirmation processes, you will always succeed as a politician with a very level of discipline. You will grow and be a good politician as well if you can invest in yourself, in taking some background courses or crash courses to improve and expose you in leadership positions, and be a good public servant. But if you fail to adopt or find it so easy that joining a political party is just easy as presumed, it is not. However, if you have considered this very video helpful, I encourage you once again to subscribe. Thank you very much.